Tara, what are we doing today?
Well, right now I do not know. Daddy, what are we doing today?
We are getting the tools out to go fix on the fence.
Yay!
So turn on the light where everybody can see.
Ow.
Alright, get the bucket. Yes.
I just thought about bringing another bucket.
Get the bucket.
Okay. Guys, I'm going to try to hook up so we can put all the stuff in there.
Alright. Come on, let's go do that.
One day, Daddy, we can build us a wagon.
I'm building it right there.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get some wood.
Oh, I need to go get those other hammers. So.
We don't need both of them, just the big one.
This big one. Okay, so let me lay this right here.
Alright, so here, let's take that. Let's take that and put it in the trailer.
Yes,
Alright.
we need a sledgehammer again?
We didn't use it the last time, so I would say that's a big no. Well, no, most of the time you have to back it up. Alright. Let me see that blade right quick. Look at that blade.
Yeah.
Alright, what this is I cut these slots in it about 10 years ago. This is an old lawnmower blade. And it fits really good in your hand. This is how I stretch my barbed wire. And we'll show you that shortly. And we really need some tires for this thing, but it's an old beat up trailer. We just drag it around the yard. Alright, so we'll be right back.
It's going. Right now we're just backing up to the lawnmower. We got the thing hooked up and now we are putting it on there. There you go. All done, Daddy.
Pause.
Going. Alright, now we're here to fix the fence.
Alright.
That's Mr. Bob, right?
This fence post right here used to continue straight across there. Actually, no, it didn't. It went up and then went behind that truck right there and went over to that other fence. So what we're going to do is we're going to eventually, we're just going to attach it to the corner of the shed. And we're going to put a new wall up there on the shed. And then we're going to go up to the back right there and split the garden off from the rest of the house if we ever decide to get any more animals. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to get all this barbed wire off.
Get it off of the post, I mean.
And we won't throw this away.
Because we can use it.
Use it somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah.
So, fire.
The wires. He's going to take
These are out far enough I can grab them with this.
I'm trying to get the little stuff not blocking it.
Hold that. Get a little bit of hook in there. The hook doesn't work very well. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, watch this so I don't smack you in the face.
We'll pull all the barbed wire off. Alright, I don't like, you're supposed to be able to just chop that in there and catch it, but you wind up pecking your pole all to pieces. So, I just do that. And get them started. Actually, that one's bent over this way, so we need to go this way. And once you get them out like that, then you can catch, there's a little hook right there. I don't know what you call it. It's a piece made into the jaw. A recessed or a groove machined in there or cast in there or whatever. Alright. Let me have the hammer. We'll just lay it up here. Staples, come on, give them to me.
It's pretty windy out here.
We're gonna put these in this cup right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. So we got a few more to get off.
Oh, I didn't realize it was there.
We had horses, is why we have a fence. That and people don't seem to realize, hey, stay off my property. I pay for this property, not you. So we put up the fence. There.
We're going.
So you can pry this out a little bit and then hook in behind it like that. And you can save those. We'll go through and straighten some of them up.
Yep.
Alright, that's it. I mean, that's it for this. And, we're doing a little thing that my son-in-law nicknamed. I don't know where he came up with this. Walk up. We call it the tighten up. In a run that's not straight, this fence curves, so we can't go down to the end and pull it, because like a nut, we put the wire on the wrong side of the fence. So we just come over here like this. And put some on each side of the center of the post, and it tightens the wire up. And it does a rather good job of it. Doesn't have to be tight, but you know.
Just like tight enough where it'll come unloose.
Not come unloose.
Loose.
Yeah, there you go. Well, we should have put it on the right side. I got poles that are falling apart, poles that are coming apart. We don't have any animals right now. We had some. There's a big old giant ant bed right there I'm trying not to get into.
Yep.
There we go.
Can't get
And
in there, man.
that was my first time putting up a fence. See, here. This post is delaminating. I'm not going to add any staples to it because I need to change this post out.
Okay, so we're going to keep on
I'm
going
not going to change
down.
it out today. But there's no sense in filling it full of staples that I'm just going to pull back out in a couple of days. I don't know what monkey put those staples in.
I don't know.
But
I
he
didn't do
couldn't
it.
drive a hammer, but it wasn't me.
It wasn't me. I don't think I could do that.
I have a stranger version to leaving a bent nail.
I'll have to get that one in a minute.
Yes, you're going to have to get it. All right, go ahead and get it. You can get it.
There you go.
Right there in front of us.
Uh-huh. Right here. Got it.
All right, hold on to that one.
Looks like a horseshoe.
Pay attention to what we're doing.
Okay.
Stick my head through the fence. Put one down here.
Yeah, right there. Good
Put
job.
this fence up. Probably 10 years ago. And
We're going for the ant bed again.
yeah,
I need to do some
I'm not too keen
with that.
on ant bites.
Me either.
All right, well that's all. That's it. We're just putting some staples in to tighten up the fence. Like, oh, what I was going to say is we had horses a while back, and the kids, everybody fell in love with the horses. Everybody, Larissa, camera. You got my head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Everybody fell in love with the horses, and then the reality of owning large animals hit us. The feed, we had 3 horses, which was probably too many horses on 6 acres. And the feed and vet bills, and we just couldn't afford to do it. And nobody wanted to work with them, and nobody wanted to ride them. And I said, well, I'm not going to own animals just for the sake of owning them. So we found a good home for them to go to. They went to that good home.
Let's go back up here and get some more.
A guy come down from Kentucky with a big horse trailer, loaded them up, and he's riding the gelding. He's riding the gelding. And the mama and her daughter. We're gonna go down here. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I use this little device. So for right now, we're just gonna hook her in right there.
Get out of the way.
We need to
Who's this?
step around on the other side of me.
Okay.
We need to get this
Ooh, man, it's getting dark. Can't get a clear picture on there.
show you how I use this little tool right here. Try not to damage the wire, because it's already been folded over once. And I don't know why this is so loose. But, okay, so, alright. What we're going to do, come around on this side.
Try and get it from where the darkness doesn't show it.
Alright.
Cause it'll show up light, then get dark.
Okay. So we're going to hook this over the barb. I'm going to slide this behind here. And then I simply just pry on it like that. And if you pull it to the point that the barb starts sliding down the wire, you can fold it. But you don't need it real tight. So I do that. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Then that just slides off right there.
Okay, get it off.
Well, it comes off. It's just not wanting. There we go.
Wait, it's not wanting. It's not wanting to.
Not wanting to today. I've done that on every single strand. I didn't do the barbed wire correctly when I installed it, so I may have to go back, and you're supposed to wrap it around and come back and catch it under itself. I didn't do that, so now I'm dealing with that. So what I do is I like to fold it over, and that's what I thought would work, but it's proven that it doesn't. Alright, so
Yeah, what do we do?
we're just gonna do more of the same, finish it all up, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to click the little bell next to the word subscribe. It'll pop up another box to tell you that if you want to receive email notifications every time I upload a video, to do so. And it will help you keep track of the videos that we do and that we upload.
Have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and thanks to my camera girl, Tara.
Yay.
Okay, everybody say like and subscribe, and
Thanks for watching and get her done.
all right.